Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Galaxy Tab A11 and let me share with you how to check for the software updates on this device. So let's begin with making sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required. So make sure you're connected and then let's go to the settings. Here in this left section we have to scroll down, actually all the way down, to find the option which is called software update. So simply tap on it and then tap on download and install. Your device will now check for the updates, and basically you can meet two different scenarios. The first one where your software is up to date and there's nothing to download. As you can see here, we've got the relevant information. And the second one is where your device is actually have the update pending. Your device will show you the information about it, what has been fixed, what has been added, and then you will be able to tap on download or install somewhere here and apply the update. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.